Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to see, or I can say I'm going to perform some command to add a user or to create a new user in Linux based operating systems. So there is a command named useradd to add a new user or to create a new user. Okay, so first we see the manual of that command. So here you can see that useradd command is used to create a new user or update a default new user information. There are some arguments here like -d. Okay, so let's take an example. So first see the total number of user or the last user which is created for this system. So etc then pass wd. So here you can see the last user is Vivek. So if we add a new user or if we create a new user, then it will be below this Vivek user. Okay, so user add, let's create one user named demo user. Okay, or just demo. So enter. Now let's see that user is added or not. So here you can see the user demo is added and its id is 1001, group id is also 1001, and the home directory there is a demo folder for that particular user. So useradd command is used to add new user. Now what if we want to remove that user? So there is a command called userdel, means delete user, is used to delete the user. So let's see the manual of userdel command. So here you can see that userdel command is used to delete a user account or related files of that particular user. So there is a, here you can see the argument -f means this option forces the removal of the user account even if the user is still logged in. If I want to delete, let's see, right now I am logged in with the Vivek user and I want to delete these Vivek users, and if I have to use -f means I have to delete the logged in user so forcefully. Okay, so right now we are going to delete that demo user using userdel and demo. So let's see, demo user is gone. Okay, it means the deleted. So basically useradd command is used to add a new user like and see xyz is added, and user del command is used to delete the user. See, user is deleted. Thank you for watching, and from now on in my next videos I'm going to show you how to allow permissions or like read, write or execute permission, and user management and a group management, how to add new groups and delete groups, how to add users to new group, or how to eliminate or delete the users from a particular group. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel to watch that kind of videos.